plan today to join along with the Sketch Hop for August 2019. It's where we take a 12 by 12 sketch and turn it into a different size. So it can be a traveler's notebook, it could be cards, it could be an 8.5 by 11, which is what I favor. And I'm also going to combine that with a couple of other little things that I have going on. I'm going to be using my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit. And the kit I am using is actually taken from the Counterfeit Kit Challenge blog. And they're using a Best of Life kit from Citrus Twist, I believe. And I'm also combining that with a fun little thing I have going on at Mind the Scrap, where we have to use square photos, one word title, word embellishments, 4 paper layers, and some kind of doodling. So I'm going to fast forward the next bits and see where this takes me. Oh wait, one more thing. This is the sketch we're going to use, and I'm going to go ahead and scooch this over and put the sketch right about right here. Okay, here we go. So my friends, it appears that a little bit of my video footage went astray, which can happen. You know, I can come in even more. Look at me, how fancy. So I want to tell you a little bit about this layout. I was doing, as you know, I showed you this just a couple of seconds ago, this sketch, which, as you see, I'm going to put it right, what's the best place for me to put it? Maybe like right there. Actually, I'll just put it up in this corner right here, so never mind. So I was doing this sketch, and I wanted to do 8.5 by 11, and that's great. And I kind of started with the photo in the correct place, right? And then I kind of, and it had the banner, and it was kind of like a skinny banner. So I wanted a really big pronounced banner. So I said, okay, I'm going to do a pronounced banner because I really liked this green with all the green garden veggies, right? Because, did I tell you the background? This photo is my husband, and he went to our garden to pick a couple things, and the zucchini and cucumbers have now exploded. So he carried a bunch in, and that's why my title is Uh-oh. It's like, what are we going to do with all of this? So I was going along, and then I'm like, all right, let's see if I can get anything that has to do with either outdoors or gardening or whatever out of this kit. So I went ahead, I have my bumblebee going on, and I have some peaches here, a cute little piggy, and a hedgehog. I don't know why, but these products right now have these arbitrary little creatures, so I just decided to embrace it, right? I did matte my photo 4 times to really make it pop out. I have some of this really nice deep pink and rose in here. And the wording here is, yes, yep, yeah, you bet, sure, gotcha. Like, what are we going to do with all of this? And if you see my husband's face, I'm continually taking photos of him, and that's kind of the look he gets, like, what are you doing now? I've got some little word bits here, and that was just on that Dear Lizzie 6 by 12 sticker sheet that came in this collection. A couple great little die cut pieces. This piece here is a very dimensional little piece, and it is on a toothpick, so that's kind of a cool element. These are these really great Love and Lemon. They're chipboard, but not super thick, and they're barely sticky at all. They're just sticky enough to stay on your sheet, and that is fine with me. As long as they stay on there, that is cool. I did go ahead and use some Nuvo drops, as well as enamel dots in a couple of different places, and I finished off the whole thing with just some really, really messy doodling. So this came together super quick, but I love it, and I really hope that you like it too. And I was so excited to be a part of this hop again. It is so much fun, and I already have the sketch on hand for September, if you can believe that. So I am going to do my best to get that out and see if I can come up with something fun. I really love the way this came out. It was not that big deal of a picture of an event. It's just those little moments that I love so much about summer. That's all it's really about. So that's it for now. I'll see you later, friends. Bye-bye.